We're going to talk about our Prescriptive Solution Moisture Balance range. This particular range is also sulfate and paraben free, so it is colour safe. It is designed for someone that has dry, damaged and coloured hair, so it's going to create moisture throughout the head of hair. We're going to use our shampoo first, applying it to the roots. This range is inspired by the desert, so it is creating lots of moisture. Some of the key ingredients are our Kakadu plum, our desert lime extracts and our wattle seed. Now these are going to attract the moisture so they're nice and locking into the hair. Once you finish rinsing out the shampoo, we're going to squeeze out the moisture. We're going to apply our conditioner. Our Revive conditioner is designed for someone that has slightly dry hair, for normal hair and also for coloured. So we're going to apply it through our mid-lengths and ends to our root area, so then we're keeping it nice and nourished. Once you've left it for your 3 to 5 minutes, you're just going to rinse it thoroughly. I'm going to use our Intense Moisture Balance conditioner. Now this one is designed for someone that has coarse, quite dry hair and also coloured hair. So this one here is giving you lots and lots of moisture to the hair. And we're just going to distribute evenly throughout the head of hair as well. Once you've left it for your 3 to 5 minutes, we're just going to rinse and condition.